one of the programs
Yeah,
that was designed by
very chill.
in the Igbo Youth Connect
By chilling.
Web Technology Training. You can see this is a game. We figured out how to write a program for this animation. Go through the established process.
I'm going.
You have to appreciate how much that is required to actually get to this point. It's not a very simple task. It requires lots of thinking and logic decisions.
What level are you?
It's a good job. So what's your name?
My name is Jewel.
So you did all this?
Yeah, well, with the help of my sister.
So how were you able to make this work?
Well, we learned the basics from the teacher, Mr. Kingsley. We learned the basics, and then basically you just have to build on that.
Oh, so you enjoyed it?
Yes.
So Igbo Youth Connect is a very good program.
Yeah.
I like it. I agree with you. Thank you.